Alright, let's get ready to make the best paper airplane that flies farther than any other design out there. Have you ever tried making paper airplanes but struggled to get them to soar through the air for a long distance? Well, in this video, I'm going to share the secret to creating a paper airplane that can fly impressively far. When it comes to paper airplanes, the design and folding techniques play a crucial role in determining how well they glide. Many paper airplanes fail to achieve long flight distances because of poor design or incorrect folding methods. To overcome this challenge, I will guide you through a step-by-step process of folding a paper airplane, highlighting key design elements that enhance its flight performance. By paying attention to these details, you can significantly improve the distance your paper airplane can travel. Now, here comes the most exciting part, the revelation of the best paper airplane design I've discovered through experimentation. This ultimate paper airplane features specific characteristics that set it apart from others and enable it to fly much farther. Get ready to learn what makes this design so special and how you can replicate it. In conclusion, let's recap the essential steps and design principles discussed in this video. Remember, proper folding techniques are crucial for maximizing the flight distance of your paper airplane. By following these guidelines, you can create impressive flying machines that will amaze everyone around you. I encourage you to try making the paper airplane demonstrated in this video, test its flight capabilities, and share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun do-it-yourself projects and creative ideas. Let's keep the creativity soaring high.
We'll be right back.